What's good, y'all? Hope everyone's enjoying the Christmas season. Shouts to the Soho Market. It was my first time going. It was a packed venue, met some dope vendors. Got this crochet from Plants vs. Zombies, the original. Main guy. And we got this Snorlax keychain. They had this little carpet with the Mario mushroom on it in green, but I didn't cop it right away. By the time I wanted it, it was already gone. Luckily, I did chop it up with the vendor, so hopefully we're still able to cop it soon. We also found these cool shirts there for the low, so something to wear come springtime. Shouts to Gateway Games for buffing out my Budokai 3. Looks good as new. Now then, let's see if it works. And there we have it, the game working good as new.
Now, let me. This is a serious time to fuck.
Just go ahead and throw it down, make sure it's working.
So, this is where you've chosen for your final resting place. Come on, let's see what you got.
Sheesh.
The Saiyans are a true warrior race. Don't underestimate us.
You know what I'm talking about? So yeah, as you can see, they did get it working, so good as new and it's perfect. And we also got this 128 megabyte little storage block memory card, so shouts to them. We also found this little stuffed cow, little animal pal, farm pal or whatever at the Soho, so I might start collecting these instead of the little break bears. These are tight. We also got these packs from La Pulga, so let's go ahead and open them. And already they're all over the place, so here we go. That upside down card for some reason. Another upside down card. What's going on here? These cards are just upside down, that might be it. Let's go ahead and do that. Whoa. Nice. And here we got Sun and Moon. Let's see, it's this way or yes, this way. Got easy, that. Upside down card again. Upside down card. And upside down card. What? No way. Oh man, that's going in the binder right there. That's one of my favorites. Raichu. That's tight. That second pack with a Raichu definitely made it worth it. Got my sleeves ready, so might as well. And last but not least, we got this Funko Pop from Dragon Ball GT. This pan definitely made the adventure and the whole team lit. One of my favorites. And there we have her. Ready to throw down. It was on clearance at GameStop, so mandatory snatch. Also, shouts to the boys for pulling up. We had an awesome game time. Shouts to Orion for the multi-viewer. Brought back a lot of the old school fun from split screening back in the days. And that's all for today. Just wanted to give y'all a little update before the year's end. Hope y'all have a good holidays and see you next time.